Hello guys! Today my dad and I will be making a little project for this space. So we'll be doing 4 shelves and we have around 10 feet of space. What you guys are going to be seeing is how much it's going to cost and how much time it's going to take and all the tools and materials that are going to be needed. And also you're going to see the final result. So let's get going. Okay, now I'll be identifying the middle of the studs. So how we see a stud is we use this Pro Sector tool, and when these red dots appear, we see that there is a stud behind this wall. So let's mark the middle up here. And you mark all these studs and then you're complete with the first step. Main thing. Then now we remove the stick. And that's okay guys, now we finished installing the brackets and we'll continue till the next step, installing the actual shelf. So let's get going. Okay guys, now I'll polish these desks so these little things don't get into your fingers and like hurt you. Okay, so we do it like this. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show how it looks before I polish it and after. So here's the before, a lot of these rough edges, and now when I do this. And I wipe that off. It's pretty much perfect. Okay guys, now the next step is to continue these shelves further into the space. And we can't place one of these brackets here because there's no stud behind the wall. So we'll cut this stick into these little planks and then use them as support for the bigger shelves. And that's it for this step. And let's do it. Okay guys, to continue that step, we'll make a hole up here and there on each of our sticks, so when we actually put in the screw, it doesn't snap in half. Okay? So see when that's done. Okay guys, now that we're done installing these, we'll have to put up the last shelf. And because it's too big, we have to find out the size. Let me see. It's 20 inches. And when we finish cutting it, we're gonna show you how to install it. So let's get cutting. Okay guys, now that we're done cutting the rest of the shelf, it won't just like fit in and fall. It will fall if you just put it there. So we'll have to use this H profiler to hold it together. So this is how we do it. Put it in the back. Slide, 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 slide. Make sure it doesn't fall because that won't be good. It's kind of hard. Okay, now grab it. Get the hole. Get the hole. Okay, and then just get it in, and we'll hold anything, 50 pounds, 200 pounds, maybe even a ton and an elephant, maybe just everything you want to put on here. And that's what we're gonna do with the rest of the shelves, and we're gonna be pretty much done. So let's see. I know they're gonna appear. Okay, I'll give you some time to look, observe. Great. Amazing. Okay, that's good. Let's continue. Okay guys, now we're done with our amazing project. That's it for this video. And if you want to see more building projects like this, please don't forget to smash